Alright, hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another video. I know you guys are really excited to see a lot of Golf R content, but I'm going to talk about my camera equipment because a lot of you guys have been asking. So the camera that I use right now is a Sony A6400. I use the kit lens, 16x50mm. It has optical steady shot, so it does help with the camera, with the stability, but I will say the camera does not have IBIS, and even I think the A6500 with IBIS, it's still very shaky. So I do have a gimbal, and it helps out, but it's still a very shaky camera. However, image quality just completely it makes you just wouldn't even care about the stabilization just because the image quality is so darn good. And hopefully I get some new lenses down the road. And anyway, it's a great camera to use. I started off YouTube using a Hero 3 Black as well as a Hero 7 Black and an iPhone camera, and I was pretty much editing with Windows Movie Maker at the time, and then I kind of stopped that in 2017, and then from 2017 on I was using the iMovie that came with the iPhone, and unbelievable, up until I would say September of 2019 I was using that. So for 2 years I was cranking out videos from the mobile iMovie. It's pretty unbelievable to think about, but that's what I was doing, and it got me 2,000 subscribers, and I'm super humbled by that. You know, you don't need the most insane tech to get a really good outcome. It's all about the videos you put out and how passionate you are about it. So yeah, with that said, we'll go around all my camera kits. So I'll show you guys everything, and if you guys are interested in buying any of this stuff, there will be links in the description below. Please, if you're really interested in buying this type of stuff, please click the link and buy it from there. It helps me out, and it helps the channel out, so thank you for that. So anyway, without further ado, we'll show you guys all the kit. Alright, so to start us off, this is everything for my DSLR in this case. So pop it up, it's nice and green, everything pops. This helps clean the lens, gets dust off. Right in this little pocket, I know it's a little dark, but right in this little pocket we have an extra battery, and we have our polarized lenses or lens caps. This is a lens flare for reducer. I actually don't know. I'm pretty sure it's to reduce any lens flare, but that is for this lens right here, which is my 18x135, and the aperture is 3.5 to 5.6. This is a great, I wouldn't say it's a great portrait lens, but it is a just generally good lens for taking photos. I really do like it. I take pretty much all my car photos with it. I do have a polarizer on it as well. And yeah, it's a great lens. I really have nothing bad to say about it. I don't use it for video. I might start just to see, and you know, what the heck, but I don't know. For now, it's just my photo lens, and it's a really easy, and it's just super high quality too. Just everything just feels really good. So it is a really nice lens. I like it. So that pretty much sums everything up. I know I don't have much, but again, I just got into the whole DSLR gang. You guys can see this is the dead cat for my mic. I'm not using that right now just because it's not windy, so I don't really need it. Alright, so this is something that a lot of you guys, and I highly recommend, stay tuned for this part, because this is what any YouTuber should have, and this is GoPro, right? So as mentioned before, I had a Hero 3 Black as well as the Hero 7 Black. This one has the image stabilization, and you could pick one of these up for like 220 bucks. It's a really good deal, and they package extra SD cards and batteries, so you're getting the whole 9 yards. So I highly recommend also getting just extra attachments. I have a bunch in this little pocket right here. This is great for POV because if you wear a hat, which I do all the time, you can just pop it on the brim of the hat, and the GoPro can just, it's kind of blocking your sight, I'm not gonna lie, but it's fine. All my POV drives have been filmed with this. So, and then I have a secondary POV thing right here. This is just a head strap. I don't use this too much, but I might start using it more and just try to mix it up. And then I have a suction mount. This is what I use to just do car vlogs, and yeah, I haven't used this too much, but I'd love to use it more. I'd love to do more GoPro videos because they're very easy. So again, if you guys are really looking to do videos, I highly recommend checking out a GoPro. GoPros are super inexpensive, very easy to use, and yeah, they work great. Alright, so the finale, we're gonna talk about the gimbal that we have. So this is I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's this company, Zhihyun. I butchered that name, but that's okay. I think you guys will spare me. But this is the Crane M2. It's a great gimbal. I haven't used it too much, but I've used it enough to have strong enough opinion where I can say it's. Probably wondering what editing software that I use. I use Adobe Premiere Rush and Adobe Premiere Pro, but I mostly use Rush just because it's very intuitive. It's really inexpensive. I think you can get it for 10 bucks a month, which is not bad. Small potatoes. So it's really inexpensive and really anyone can use it. It's just like iMovie, but I primarily use a Windows computer, and I don't know, I'm kind of over iMovie. I'm ready for new things, so now I use Adobe, and Adobe software is great because I also have Lightroom as well, so I can do photo editing. So anyway, hopefully that answers some questions. Hope you guys are really interested in starting your own YouTube channel, because again, it's a lot of fun. You guys see me, I really enjoy doing it. I post a lot. It's a lot of fun. So with that said, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.